Even after all the attempts of the Fed to stifle crypto, it's instead getting more accepted. Channers, what's your thought on that? America will collapse before 2040, society's behavior will be getting more deranged, yes even more, by the 2030s. Just imagine those little sub-20-year-old mutts in 10 to 15 years when they have to manage the country and serve as the workforce. You can see this already with the Nintendo generation drama with the Pentagon. Eventually America will start to lose global political power in huge chunks, already are, just look at Sleepy's administration. Crypto will prevail, but I would love for crypto to depeg from effing burger economy cause that stuff sucks, no mutts law. Dummy, why should you even think about this? The number of merchants accepting crypto is already on the increase. Nothing is going to happen to crypto. Bitcoin is the money for the digital age. Gold is still valuable, but its limitations make it unsuitable for economic activity in the digital age. The Nixon shock was a clear example of why gold will never work in the modern era, and especially in an era of a multipolar world. While the feds are using the profit from Bitcoin, who's deceiving whom? Mainstream adoption gonna happen soon. I'm not thinking much, CBDC will succeed fiat. Binance Pay and X money is still being adopted by many merchants. You have your answer already. Not to sound like a moon boy, but I could picture the market cap growing at a surprising rate, and it's not going to be driven by retail. It's the economic uncertainty and global restricting that's going to drive Bitcoin's price. Sovereigns, ultra-wealthy, nation-states, major companies and institutions are going to be forced to buy Bitcoin. If the world was in a stable situation and most nations had sound money policies, then Bitcoin wouldn't be that relevant. Just a matter of time. Paying with crypto isn't that much of a hassle. I have personally used a payment platform which offers on-chain transactions with a fixed 1% transaction fee and cashback on all transactions. Crypto gives financial freedom, and I embrace Web3 payments with a reliable payment platform. Whether the people realize it or not, this is the future and a key for a better financial situation. With crypto becoming more private and decentralized in identities, assets and rights, the government is fighting an already lost battle. Crypto is volatile, but that's the nature of it. We have platforms that offers buyers and sellers protection for a better payment experience. Crypto for a couple years, but eventually it'll die and you'll wish you were in gold. Gold if you're smart and wealthy. Crypto if you're dumb and poor and cross your fingers and hope for the best. Gary Gensler and his goons got nothing on crypto. I prefer using it because of the low transaction fees and lesser transaction time. Sure, gold is the traditional play and it's also the safe one. Bitcoin is the volatile new technology, so it appears risky to most boomers. I agree the world isn't going to end, but you'll be trading the gold for Bitcoin but at a higher price. Gold as an instrument for settlement is simply impractical for the digital age. At some point mass suicide or large-scale internal confrontations will happen. Either way, gold guns or beans will be worthless in due time. You'll either die or be a pod slave, simple as. Bruh, the Fed can try to FUD crypto all the want, but it ain't gonna stop the hodlers from stacking sats and sending it to the moon. In fact, it's only making the crypto community stronger and more resilient. Even Biz is accepting crypto payments. Zoom out and see the bigger picture. I'm bagging more low caps right now. I can't afford to miss out on this upcoming alt season. The idea of privacy tokens is one of the crypto innovations that's giving the government Myers. With privacy tokens taking the front row, don't think we should worry so much about the feds. USD is screwed, that's the summary. I noticed more merchants are now accepting crypto as payment. The likes of Sum and Forterra crypto payment is dominating. You sound wrecked and on, guess you were once scam screwing some wrong bussy. Go get useful and don't be a lazy bones, as businesses can now integrate and seamlessly accept crypto payments without worrying about excessive fees with Web3 payment services. A processing fee of 1% is relatively small compared to more traditional payment platforms. In my opinion, crypto. It just isn't realistic in the modern age to see gold return as a standard store of value. You'll just end up where America did when they had to default on their debts and come off the gold standard. Crypto is the only way against the Fed, the only way to truly own your own money.